Choosing your brand name is an important part of your business because that's your brand and that's what people are going to remember you by. So it's worth taking some time to think about it. So, really think about how are you going to connect with, or, like maybe you could name it after some physical object or something that just sounds cool. You can brand and create a brand out of anything. I mean, nobody really knew what Google was or Facebook, all these things. Well, Facebook kind of makes sense, but there's a lot of brands out there, or Alibaba, there's some of the world's biggest companies. They just create the image based off of the word. So, but if you want some help with generating the actual ideas of what you could do, there's a cool website that I'm going to show you guys that's free, and it'll help you just generate and show you domains that are available and similar to a word or a concept that you want to have, and it's pretty fun. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the site. It's called Namelix. So what you want to do is just type in something that you think would be really cool, like well, I just typed in llamas because llamas are pretty cool if you ask me. Could have typed in alpacas, but you guys could type in whatever you want. And then also at the top, you're going to want to click domain available. That will generate this again. All right, so now we have a list of actual websites with the .com that is available. Some of these aren't the best. Not sure why all of these are here, but there's some definite good things in there. So when you see these logos and you see these prices, you're like, why are you suggesting this to me? This is just for ideas, okay? Go out there and see what's in there, because the ones that are premium are ones that are for sale, whole business in a box. I mean, if you really want to buy it, I guess you could, but we're just using this for ideas. So you can also type in multiple words, and then it's going to find similar words and combine them and do some stuff. So I had actually typed in solar eclipse right here, and let's see what that gives us. Okay, so here's much better responses than last time. So we got solar C, eclipse systems, click eclipse. Let's see, solar canary. That's an interesting one. So check it out if you're interested. It could help you if you're in a brain fog, or otherwise go use the dictionary, or synonyms and antonyms, or just choose something random but you probably shouldn't do that. So anyways, hope this was helpful and have some fun with this website because it is a lot of fun.